let me share with you the shortcuts for Word for Windows A to Z. Starting with the first half, that's Control A for select all, Control B for bold, Control C for copy, Control D is format text, Control E is center align, Control F is find, Control G is go to, Control H is replace, Control I for italic, Control J for justify alignment, Control K insert link, Control L left align, Control M is a hanging indent. If you're finding these shortcuts and tips useful, then please remember to subscribe to the channel, and why not join my email list for more tips and tricks. Links in the description below. Going into the second half, that's Control N for new file, Control O for open, Control P for print, Control Q removes the paragraph formatting, Control R is right alignment, Control S is save, Control T for indent, Control U for underline, Control V for paste, Control W for close file, Control X for cut, Control Y is redo last action, and of course Control Z is undo last action. Hope you find all of these tips useful, and I'll see you in the next video.